Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can add a dynamic calendar to your WordPress listing blog. At the end of this video, we will have created a calendar that gets dynamically populated from your blog posts. The method works with any type of post, even your own custom posts. For this tutorial today, I am going to use the affiliate listing blog website I have created for my tutorials. I remind you that the website WPGoPro.club is an affiliate website and lists car covers from Amazon and eBay. If you haven't seen the previous 4 videos in this series and would like to watch them, I am going to leave the links in the description below and in the info cards that open if you click on the top right corner of this video. For this demo, I am using the installed plugins, Elementor Pro, and from Crocoblock, I am using the JetEngine and JetBlog plugins. In the whole series and specifically in the previous video, I also used the plugin JetSmartFilters again from Crocoblock. If you want to learn more about the plugins, I am going to leave the links in the description below. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase the plugins using the links, I may receive a small commission. However, there is no additional charge to you. This helps me continue to create the free content that I publish. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. So, this is our listing blog, WPGoPro.club. Let's go to the dashboard at the JetEngine plugin. The first thing is to create the listing for the post, car covers, which will be used in the calendar. I remind you that car covers post is a custom post which I created in the 3rd video of this series. So if you want to learn how I created it, just watch the video titled How to Create an Affiliate Listing Blog Promoting Amazon and eBay Goods. So click Add New. In the listing source field, select Posts. In the From Post Type field, select Car Covers. The title of this listing is Car Covers Calendar. We are going to edit the listing with Elementor. Click Create Listing Item. Click the red plus icon to add a single column section. Now, go to Style in order to select the image of the section's background. I want to dynamically get the post's featured image, so click on this little icon. Now, select Custom Image from the JetEngine available variables. Search for a dynamic field. Drag it onto the page, inside the section. The field is already pulling the post's title, which is what we want. Next, search for a dynamic term and drag it onto the page. In the field From Taxonomy, select Automobile Type. Now, let's duplicate the first dynamic field. Change the value in its source field to metadata. Select Brand in the meta field. Search for one more dynamic field and drag it onto the page. Again, its source field should be metadata. Select Date First Available in the meta field. The field Date First Available is a date field, but it shows just a number which we must format into a date. We do that by enabling the Filter Field Output option. Then select Format Date Localized. As you can see now, we have the date December 20th, 2020. Now go to the Advanced tab to unlink the margin and padding values of each one of the fields. This is because Elementor keeps some space for itself and I don't want this inside the calendar listing. Let's do the same with the section. Now I am going to style the title. So click on Typography and make the size 12 and weight 600. The same size of 12 applies to the other 2 fields, the Brand and Automobile Type. So click the typography of each one and make the changes. Regarding the Date First Available field, I am going to make it size 12 and weigh 500. Okay, the styling is completed. So click Update and let's exit back to our dashboard. Time to create a new page for the calendar. So go to Pages and click Add New. Type Calendar and click to save it as a draft. Now click Edit with Elementor. Click to add a single column section. Drag a heading element inside. Change the title to Crocoblock's Calendar. From the Style and Typography option, change the font size to 20 and the weight to 600. Next, click to add an additional single column section. Search for the calendar element and drag it inside. The calendar element has to be connected to the Crocoblock's Calendar listing. So, in the Listing field, start typing Crocoblock's Calendar and select it. As you can see, the calendar is shown on the page and it is already populated. However, our goal is to show Crocoblock by using their release date, which is the Date First Available field. We can do that with two simple steps. First, in the field, Group Posts by, select Date from Custom field. Second, in field Meta field name, we need to type the slug name of Date First Available. So let's go back to the dashboard to get the slug name. Go to JetEngine and click on Post Types. Click Crocoblock. As you can see, the slug name is Date-First-Available. Copy from here and paste it back in the Meta field name field. The field Weekdays format allows for short or long day names. In this case, short is fine. Click Publish. Let's check our calendar to see what we have coming up. So click on Have a Look. Scroll back to June 2021, where some Crocoblock are shown because they were released this month. As you see, on June 16th we have a couple of entries. Let's go back to the dashboard to Appearance and Menus. I am going to add the calendar page to the main menu. So, check the calendar page and click Add to Menu. Okay, let's move it under the SUV option and click Save Menu. Next, go to Live to check how everything looks now. Refresh the page. Click on the Calendar menu option. In the calendar, scroll back a few months to check posts. Okay, we have some Crocoblock posts showing up in the calendar. However, the way they look inside the calendar is not very attractive. Therefore, I am going back to the Crocoblock's calendar listing. The reason is because I am going to add a bit more styling to the listing. Go to the JetEngine and then the listings. Select Crocoblock's Calendar and click Edit with Elementor. From the style of the section, click on Custom Image and then select Post Thumbnail. This allows the post thumbnail to be used as a background. Okay, good. In the Repeat field, select No Repeat. In Size, select Contain. Click Background Overlay and select a color to be used. I am going to try it with gray first. Now let's try the light blue. Finally, this light cyan, which I like better. Now, click the pencil icon in the Automobile Type field. Disable the Link Terms option, so the hyperlinks are gone now. Click to Update. Let's check the calendar page again. I am scrolling back to June 2021. As you see now, the post entries in the calendar look much better. Alright guys, with that, we have successfully created a calendar for our affiliate listing blog. I am going to add more functionality to our blog in the next couple of videos. I will also make a video showing you how to create affiliate links from Amazon and eBay. So, if you follow the series, you will be able to create your own affiliate listing blog by yourself. Let me remind you that in the first video in the series, we learned how to create this website in 10 minutes. The second video showed us how to add an SSL certificate to the website. In the third video, we learned how to create a listing blog with a custom post type. In the fourth video, we implemented smart filters on the listings, making the search much easier. Today, we created a calendar for presenting the posts according to a date meta field. Although in this example I am talking about car covers, the same concept can be applied to your own listing blog with your custom post type. Therefore, if you liked this video and you don't want to miss the next 2 to 3 videos showing the progress of this website, don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.